Welcome to Sunkist Gardens, one of Anaheim, California's most desirable 55 plus communities. This is where relaxation, comfort, and lifestyle come together in one perfect place. How great was this tour of 1400 Sunkist Street? Let's recap everything we went over today. You've got this incredible double wide manufactured home built in 2013, so practically newer, much newer than anything's traded for before here in the community. So that's a win. You've got the big spacious bedrooms. The master suite comes with that big Roman tub, stand-up shower. I mean, it is dialed in. The living space is perfect. You've got plenty of room to stretch out, the flooring, the kitchen with the center island, the bay window. I mean, it's just got it all dialed in exactly what you're looking for. I also love how quiet and peaceful it is here. You can do your morning walks. You've got the dog park right around the corner. You're also a couple steps to the clubhouse and the pool for all the fun and community and the lifestyle stuff. But let's take it a step further. What else you get here? Being with the Orange County lifestyle. You get incredible restaurants. Anything you're feeling, it's literally minutes away. You get entertainment. You're right around the corner from the new OC Vibe that's going in, which is bringing in another 100 plus restaurants and more entertainment, more fun activities to stay young, to have fun, to enjoy. That's all here for you. I would love to show you this property in person and to see if it's the right fit for you. If you love this tour, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see what we do behind the scenes, come give us a follow on Instagram. Until our next video, have a great day.